What's up everybody, Jordan here, back with another video. Exciting times at Stoltz Farm because harvest is here. We did pick up those swaths that you saw cut in the last video. We ended up picking those up on Saturday night, and now we have the 9760 combine going out there right now, combining barley in that same field. My project today is getting the other combine ready, backing it out, greasing it up, hooking up the header, and getting it ready for 2 combines going tomorrow. So we're gonna head out here to the shed and get the 9610 combine going. The 9760 was all serviced up already for picking up those swaths, so it was ready to go today, and it tested at 13 something for moisture, which we want under 15 for barley, so that is good to go, and we'll probably keep pumping away in that field. Tomorrow getting 2 combines out, but we'll have to get it prepped first. We're hooked up. I don't even know, maybe my face is dirty. My hands are. Greased the whole thing, the header, the pulleys, pretty much wherever there's a zerk, I greased it, and it should be all serviced and ready to go. Just have to get the settings right over here when we get in the field, since it's the first time the 9610 has been out this year for combining. I'm gonna go start in the barley field where my dad is currently with the 9760. He's on his second semi of the day. I'll help him finish that one tonight, and we might head to another field as well to start opening that one up to begin. I think we have some rain coming in a couple days, so we've done what we can and let harvest begin. Harvesting progress, it's going pretty good out here. The barley is kind of short. I don't know if you can tell that from way up here in the cab, but I'm having to run the reel pretty much all the way down and the header down. It's not really indicative of bad barley necessarily. It's just a little bit short, which is a little bit more of a challenge. We have to run the header so low, but we're getting it picked up, and I think the barley actually looks pretty good so far. Pretty thick, and hopefully it'll be yielding a decent amount. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. I don't think there's too much left on this field. It looks like there's some green stuff right here ahead of me, kind of around this weedy patch and this slough. But I have right here, and right there on the other end is where the 9760 is working. So we don't have a ton left before we go to the next piece. side and working back and forth from this end of the field. So got a little system down, and I think it's going to be a later night. It's about 8 right now, but we're definitely not going to get this field finished up today as we did the last one, because this is a really big field, our biggest barley field and one of our biggest fields we have in general. So we'll be on this one for a day or two, starting it now, kind of chipping away before we get started. So we're just doing a little vehicle shuffle here at the end of the day before really shutting things down. This is just essentially to put enough vehicles down at this field because it's kind of a long ways away, so we can run trucks back and forth tomorrow, unload them, and get 2 people out there combining and actually unload the 2 hoppers that are down there into a tandem truck. So a little bit more to do today, but we're going to wrap it up here pretty quickly after getting that grain home that we harvested. Alright everybody, and that'll do it for another video, a harvest video. Quite a treat. Got a lot of new viewers and subscribers on the last video, so thank you very much for sharing the video and liking and commenting if you did that. It definitely helps the channel grow and reach more people. I know people like the harvest videos a lot and anything with big tractors and equipment, so this should be a nice stretch of videos here for you guys. If you're not subscribed already, please do. And that'll do it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. I'm sure the video frequency will go up because more harvest is coming. Stay tuned. Talk to you later.